I am Jason Abraham, the Shadow Teacher 33, and in this patch of woods behind me is a deer carcass, and there's some black vultures that swoop down to have a little feast, picking some meat off of the bones. But one of the most fascinating things to witness was that a few days ago, a big herd of deer, adults, does, bucks, fawns, they all congregated and they stood around this carcass of their fellow family member. And they just circled around the carcass and they stood there. And for those who don't believe animals have a soul, I wish you could have witnessed what I just saw.